Hi guys, I'm super happy to see you again on my YouTube channel, and you know many people call me a broad trader, and today I will show you the reason why I have such a high title. So guys, look, I have just $1 on my account and I'm going to take this challenge. I want $20,000 starting from scratch, from $1 in my initial investment, and let's see how much money I will be able to earn with this simple strategy. So let's quickly set up indicators, and yes, let's get down in the deal. I want to choose curtain channel indicator as my first tool with default settings, and as my second tool I will be using stochastic oscillator, of course, with default settings again. And you see I have just combination of curtain channel and stochastic oscillator, and in conjunction they will give me precious and exquisite signals. As you see, I have already chosen 3 currency pairs and I want to start a trading session here on this bullish market. When the candles are above this corridor, and as you see I have just only $1 in my investment, and yes, I want to start right here. I'm trading on my 1 minute time candles and with 1 minute in my time expiration. So that's a key aspect of this strategy. And here, be ready for put option right now. So well guys, it was a perfect trade. Look at all signals from both indicators. First of all, look at stochastic. It has an intersection in the oversold area. Green line has crossed the red signal line, which means that the price would go in down direction. And look at our candles. This is a pattern. Look at the previous pattern. The same picture is repeating right now. And that's why it's so easy to trade, especially paying attention to all signals. That's my strategy. I'm just paying attention to all strategy, and that's why I'm in profit. So now let's go to my second currency pair, Canadian dollar and New Zealand franc. I'm going to make even more money here, and I'm having such a small initial account. I had just $1 because right now I will invest 2. And yes, with small steps, I'm going to make more here. So from this point, be ready for put option right now. Well, here we had to return, but that's not a problem. I just want to enter this deal one more time, so I'll be ready for put option again. And yeah, this time it's working. That's why it's so important to adhere to the rules of technical analysis and to know what psychology of the market is, because only this knowledge will allow you to make a really huge money. And yes, first time it can be returned. You can lose your money, but eventually you recompensate all the losses and finally you will get your money. So you'll be successful if you just try your best. And so now let's go to the first currency pair, New Zealand franc and Japanese yen. What we have in here. I think that there is nothing impossible in the world, and that's why if you want to know how to do trading professionally, you will do this. If you're too lazy, you don't want to do anything, you will not get your success. But if you will try, do your best, you will gain really thousands of dollars. Just believe me, guys. It is possible. So that's why I will invest all my money. As you see, I haven't got so much to lose. And from this point, be ready for put option right now. So well guys, all trades in a row are profitable. I had just one return, but all trades are really profitable. That's why I think this strategy is really working. I recommend you to try this strategy, of course. But now let's check the second currency pair, Canadian dollar and Switzerland franc. I want to do one more, and with each trade my mood is getting better and better. Initially I'm in a good mood today, and maybe that's why I think I'm pretty good looking and I look adorable. So what do you think about it? I think I will hold a poll in my Telegram channel of my 2 looks. So tell me please which one is better, because it's really important to me to read your opinion. But now let me evaluate this picture at this. It's a trading session, and I will show you how to use this strategy and earn money. Can you see this resistance level? See this, the price is near this level again, and that's why it's my chance to gain this profit. My investment is not so big, and so let me invest here. Just hold my wallet, $7, not more, because I haven't got no more money. Let it be just $7, and from this point be ready for call option right now. Yes, this was on cards, a pretty predictable trade, even it is a flat line. As I said, this level was almost reached, but these candles still have space to grow, and that's why it was growing. And I just entered this deal with call option, and it was the right decision. So now I want to go further to my fair currency, and I want to make one more trade. I also want to tell you that it's very important to trade with someone's signals if you don't get enough knowledge or experience about technical analysis. So you can trade according to someone's signals, why not? And it's also important to analyze situation carefully. So right now I want to do this with you. I want to analyze the situation, and you can see this. So can you see this low mix? When you see such low mix at your chart, that's not the best situation, guys, for you to trade, because it's a little bit risky. Stochastic is also in normal area, and stochastic doesn't give us any signals from this area. So that's why I recommend to skip the situation, and let's go to the first currency pair. What we have there? I had just $13 on my balance, and I still want to earn more. I really like how rapidly these red candles are falling. That's why I think it's my time to enter this deal with $13, and when you have a small initial deposit, you will gain your money not so rapidly. But ready for this, and from this point be ready for call option right now. And this was an exciting entry point, guys, the low line of the channel, and you see how rapidly this green candle are growing. So I think that it was an exciting entry point, and you know that my granddaddy told me that everyone is great at something, and I think that I'm great at doubling the sums, definitely. You see, I managed to double my initial investment, and I want to go through and do the same with the second currency pair. So with this percentage of payout, this currency pair has 90% payout, which is really great. I can earn more, of course. That's why I will invest $25, and that's all my money, because the aim of this trading session is to make a couple of thousands of dollars. And I keep this aim in my mind, and that's why I'll be ready for production right now. So great, guys, one more successful trade. You see, trade by trade is successful, and I really like my result. But I can't stop here, because I know that my aim is $1,000 at least. I will do this, and you guys, just believe me, nothing is impossible. That's why let's go to my first currency pair again. It was a pretty good entry point to trade before, and you see these green candles are still growing, and I want to enter this deal again and to double my investment again. So it would be $46 in my investment, and from this point be ready for put option right now. So guys, my granddaddy was right. I'm really good at doubling the sums. That's why right now it was one more exciting entry point, the upper point of getting channel, and after that, after I entered the deal, the price went in down direction and my decision was right. But it's not so simple as it may seem on the first sight, and I want to prove you. So that's why let's go to the third currency. Yes, that's not so easy for everyone to just keep going with a profitable trade. Sometimes you have to be ready for the loss trades or for the returns, and it's normal. And on this volatile market, you have a really cool opportunity to earn really good money. That's why I will invest here $85, and it will be enough for me. As I get a confirmation by this red candle, be ready for put option right now. So perfect result, guys. It was one more exciting signal. Look at stochastic, it has this intersection and the green line has crossed the red signal line, and after that the price went in down direction. I think that I proved to you that technical analysis is very important, and it's not sufficient to be lucky enough to warn all the trades. You have also applied the knowledge of technical analysis here. So that's why I really recommend you to trade according to the signals. If you don't possess enough knowledge of technical analysis, just follow my Telegram channel. There you can find a lot of free signals, best entry point, and of course real made strategies for your own profitable trades. So the link will be in the description under this video, guys. Now I think it's time for continuing this trade session with the first currency pair. As you see, I have more than $100 in my account, and with these investments my earnings will be much bigger, and of course I will enter with this $160. I know that my payout will be close to $300, which is really cool. So here, be ready for call option right now. So great again, guys, already $300, and that's why I want to repeat my success at the same currency pair, as this entry point was pretty great. And let me analyze the previous candles. The previous 5 candles was red and the price was falling a little bit, but right now this green candle has already formed, and I think it's excellent entry point for me. Here I will invest, I think, $295. Not more, but not less. This is a pretty solid sum to invest, and here be ready for call option right now. Brilliant, guys. This was one more successful trade, and can you notice that I managed to stay in the profit all the time? You can ask me, Lara, how do you manage to stay in the profit? Why all your trades are so profitable? And I will tell you that my trades are profitable in general because I adhere to the rules of money management and of course technical analysis. And I had years of experience, guys, and it's been long since I traded binary options. And now I want to go to my second currency pair. And here I want to make really exquisite trades because I will invest more than $500, and let it be 550. Yes, it will be pretty cool. Right now I will be trading on this bearish market. By the way, if you want to know how to trade on a bearish market, it's an opposite of this situation. And I have worked out how to trade on the bearish market in my Telegram channel. So if you're interested in more detail of this market, go to the community and be a member of it. But right now I will trade here on the bullish market, and yes, it's pretty simple. Also, with this initial investment of more than $500, be ready for call option right now. Well, this was exciting. With this trade, I managed to earn more than $1,000. And yes, pretty good strategy we get on channel is the stochastic oscillator. But one more important thing, that this is a bullish market, and I use here a trick of trading with the bullish market with call option here. If you just catch the right moment where you can enter the deal in the direction of the general trend. And yes, I managed to do this right now, and this pattern is going to be repeated right here. I knew that in advance, that's why I'm on such a good profit. I remind you, if you want to know the details, how to trade on a bearish market, not bullish, bearish, but bearish is the opposite situation. You can find lots of useful information in my Telegram channel, because yesterday I worked out exactly similar situation with the bearish market in my Telegram community, and yes, you can find a lot of useful information about it. But now I want to go further to my third currency, and because I can't stop here. Yes, I have already earned thousands of dollars, but can you remember my aim today to earn more? Of course, that's why I'll put in my investment, and yes, already thousands of dollars. I started just with one in my initial investment, and now I have 1,000. I think it's already a cool result, but I want to open one more trade exactly when the candles are at the lower band of current channel, and here be ready for collapse. Yes guys, I'm in profit again. This was so easy for me. And you ask me, why are you trading exactly binary options, not other types of trading? I will tell you, because first of all, it's pretty profitable. You see it. Can you see close to $2,000 just in 15 minutes? But the next reason is that here with this trading platform, with Quotex and trading here in binary options, you can earn more money from anywhere in the world. I think that's pretty reasonable for someone who wants to deal exactly with this trading, and that's why I want to prove you that it's possible to earn even more. So let's go to second currency pair. By the way, Quotex binary options in general give us a really cool percentage of payout. 93 is really nice, and this is my chance to earn a really cool profit with thousands of dollars in my initial investment when the price is a little bit lower. So be ready for put option right now. Astonishing result, guys. Can you see this? More than $2,000, and I made all this money from scratch. I had just $1 on my account, and I think for someone it seems impossible. But I will tell you guys that all you see on your screens is possible. I earn right now $3,000, and I wouldn't stop there. I think I want to make one more trade, and let me check other situation because I want to invest a lot. Let's check the first one, what we have here on the chart. I think this is great, but anyway, I don't like the percentage payout. That's why I think I will get back to my second currency. And on this absolutely perfect bullish market, I want to make one more trade again. As I said, the situation is repeating right now, and that's my key to success here. I want to invest $2,000 and be ready for put option right now. Great result, guys. We see from $1 close to $5,000. It's an exciting result, and that's all thanks to the signals from stochastic oscillator and current channel indicator. So this combination of indicators are working in a really precise way, and you have the opportunity to earn a really huge money. So guys, if you want to get more information and more details about it, just go to my Telegram channel and become a part of my community. Of course, you can participate in my live trading sessions and earn a really huge money with me. So guys, I wish you a really good day. See you next video, and bye bye.